Bumuhos ang pagsaludo sa yumaong playwright na si Floy Quintos sa pagpapalabas ng kanyang final masterpiece na Grace. Nagpapatrol, Ana Cerezo.
Standing ovation ang bumungad sa cast ng Grace sa opening night ng huling obra ng yumaong playwright na si Floy Quintos. Ramdam ng cast ang buhos ng pagmamahal at paghanga sa kwentong isinulat ni Quintos base sa kontrobersyal na lipa aparisyon.
That's why our hearts swell at curtain call kasi, and even when the audiences are reacting during the show, parang si Floy too eh.
It's very emotional for all of us, but then Floy will always say, stop it. Whenever we start wallowing in our sadness and our grief, we also catch ourselves.
Ayon naman kay Stella Cañete Mendoza, ang producer ng pagtatanghal at kumanap bilang Sister Teresita, ibinahagi sa kanya ni Quintos na ang Grace ang pinaka-challenging niyang isinulat.
It was different because Floy would usually have an easy time. Maybe what he was talking about was because God was calling him already.
Bilib ang mga nanood ng Grace na anilay patunay ng dekalibre at powerful storytelling style ni Quintos.
I expected a lot from Direct Floy, but kakaiba to. It's very well written. Ang complex ng characters.
When you step out of it, it will leave you thinking, yes, yeah. And then it's something that you will do research.
Wow, what an exit with Grace. That is what good theater is about.
Magtatagal ang palabas hanggang June 16 at ayon sa cast, ito ang pinakamagandang pagpupugay nila sa alaala ng yumaong direktor at playwright na si Floy Quintos. Ana Cerezo, ABS-CBN News.